Feel like your day runs you instead of the other way around? If your to-do list is endless and you're still not hitting your goals, you don't have a time problem, you've got a clarity problem. Time budgeting is how I turned chaos into calm, and I'm going to show you how. Hey beautiful soul, I'm Rudy, your faith-fueled biz bestie and life warrior. If you're ready to take control of your time, reduce stress, and finally feel on top of things, you're in the right place. Today we're talking about how to create and stick to a time budget that works with your real life, not against it. Before we dive in, hit like and subscribe for more biz bestie vibes. Now, grab a journal, planner, or phone for notes, because this isn't just another time management video. We're taking action today. And if you want a free printable time audit or my 10-day mindset reset workbook, hop into my Facebook group, the Empower Collective. It's all waiting for you there. Step 1, know where your time is actually going. Most of us think we know, but a time audit is a complete game changer. Track your day in 30 to 60 minute blocks for a couple of days. Use color coding for categories like work, family, personal care, then identify your time leaks like endless scrolling or perfectionism, because these are the silent thieves that steal your purpose. Step 2, build a time budget that reflects your values. Create a time pie, yes, a literal circle, and divvy up your week based on what actually matters to you. Faith, family, business, health, and reset. Then anchor your priorities. Start with your non-negotiables, like school runs, client calls, or your morning routine. Don't forget to leave margin, because life happens, and moms, we know that better than anyone. Step 3, stick to your time budget without burning out. Use alarms or reminders to keep you accountable when switching tasks. Do a weekly review. What worked? What didn't? Where can you adjust? And most of all, show yourself grace. This is a tool, not a prison. Adjust as the seasons shift. All right, warrior, what was your biggest takeaway today? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget, I created 2 free tools just for this journey. My 10-day mindset reset workbook and a printable time audit to get you started. You'll find them below and inside the Empower Collective Facebook group. Let's take your time back together, because warriors, yeah, we do it better.